Today I will show you how to make this beautiful nameplate using cardboard and clay art. Hello, I'm Shabori from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's begin. At first we will make a texture paste. For that we are taking 4 tablespoons of plaster of Paris. We will take 2 tablespoons of white glue. You can use Fevicol or any local white glue available in the market. And we will take 2 tablespoons of water. We will just mix the ingredients properly until we get a paste-like consistency. You can add some extra plaster of Paris or water for getting the desired consistency. It will not be too thick, it will not be too thin, it will be more or less thick. Okay? And when it's ready, we will take a cardboard of desired shape and spread the texture paste on top of it using the palette knife. We will cover the cardboard uniformly with the texture paste. We will not be making any kind of texture with it. We are just covering the top of the cardboard and also the edges of the cardboard with this texture paste. It will just increase the hardness of our cardboard and it will provide a very good base for doing the clay art. So it's more or less covered, and when it's totally covered we will let it dry overnight so that it hardens up. So it's completely ready now, completely hard. We will now smoothen the surface using the sandpaper. Just rub the rough side of the sandpaper on top of the surface of the cardboard. We will just rub it until the surface is smooth and it's ready. Don't forget to smoothen the edges also. When it's ready, just do the outline. Okay. We will make 2 holes on the top portion using the knife like this. Now we will begin the clay art. For that we will be using the Fevicryl molded. It's an air dry clay. We will take equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener and mix them using some powder. We will just mix them properly by rolling it using our hand and folding it until the mixture is white and uniform. And our mold is now ready. We will take small portions of the mold and just roll it up to form a coil-like shape. It should be more or less thin. And then we will just place it on top of the outline of the alphabets. At first, we will be adding the Fevicol or the glue, and then on top of it we will stick the clay portions like this. See how easily the alphabets are made. In this manner we will be making all the alphabets of the name. We will now be making the rainbow. Now add the glue on top of the outline. Press the coil of clay on top of the outline in this manner. We will be adding extra clay to fill up the outline portion. And then we will just smoothen the surface using little bit of water on the fingertips. Just fill up the empty space of the outline and just cut out the extra portion of the clay using some clay tool. Smoothen the surface using water on the fingertip. Do not make it too muddy. We will also smoothen the surface of the alphabets in this manner using little bit of water in the fingertip. So it's ready. Now we will be making the cute little mushroom. Making the outline and then sticking the clay pieces on top of the outline is really easy. So I will suggest you to make the outline of your clay art on the surface of canvas or any kind of surface. Your process will become easier. And as far as about the shapes, I always prefer doing the shapes using my fingers. It will just make our work look realistic. We are now making the dragonfly, so make a ball like shape and stick it, and a coil like shape and stick it for the body. Make the wings in this manner, small leaf like shapes, and stick it on top of the outline. In the same manner, we will be making the bee. So a ball shape for the head and a comma shape for the body. Make the wings also. It is leaf like shape. Okay. We will now make a pouch at the bottom of the rainbow which will contain the golden coins. So for that, make a circle first and a thin piece of clay for the top portion of the pouch, and we will stick small ball like shapes for the coins. Slightly flatten the balls and stick it on top of the pouch. Okay, we are now making the leaf and we will do the detailings using the clay tool. We will make the flowers also. So make the petals in this manner and stick it along the outline. The clay art that I chose is really easy, and you can always do this design for your home decor or nameplate making. You can make the nameplate for your room door or the door of your house, or you can also make this and sell this for your business. Isn't this a cool idea? So we will be making the leaves and the flowers one by one. Now let's make the bell-shaped flower. So flatten a piece of clay and fold it in this manner and stick it along the outline. Make the leaves also, and we will now complete our clay art. Just do the remaining flowers and the leaves. Okay. So our clay art is now completely ready. It's completely dried up. It took nearly 3 to 4 hours for drying. We will now start painting it. At first, we will add a layer of white colored acrylic paint on top of the clay art portion as well as the background, because the white color will act as the primer. And when the white colored paint has been dried up, we will just start painting it based on our imagination. I wanted a cartoon type of effect for my nameplate because I just love bright colors, so I painted it accordingly. You can always choose to paint like this, or you can use your own imagination. So our painting is nearly completed. We will do the detailings. You can keep the painting as it is, or you can add a layer of wood gloss or varnish on top of it for the glossy effect. I added cute little hearts and the other detailings also, and I added a rope through the holes for hanging it on the wall. So finally my nameplate is ready. I hope you found this tutorial useful and you loved it. I stuck the rope at the back side using the hot glue. If you found this video entertaining and useful, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.